everyone, Jemma a croeso. Welcome to my dance session today. This is an Energise session for ages 8 to 11, and today we're going to learn a nice funky routine, but you're going to help me finish it, okay? So some of your own choreography and my choreography together are going to make an awesome dance routine. Okay, before we start, just make sure you've got enough space, okay? So you want to be able to reach side to side, forwards and back. You want to be able to sort of go round with your arms and have enough space to do a bit of stretching. Okay, good. Check your feet, all right? So no socks. We don't want to be slippy sliding, so either trainers or bare feet. And just make sure that your floor is nice and clear. Bottle of water on hand just in case you need it, and don't forget you can pause this video at any point, okay? Rewind it, look back, use it how you need it, okay? So before we start, we're going to do a couple of warm-ups, okay? I'm going to lead you through the first one, and we'll do that now, okay? Okay, so this is our first warm-up. All right, so we want to just make sure before we start that our feet are in parallel, okay? So that means they're directly underneath our shoulders and they're not going in on each other, they're not going out of each other, we're not slouching into them like this, okay? They're nice and straight and we're standing up on them. Good, and then just imagine you've got some kind of crown or book on your head that you don't want to fall off, okay? And really nice relaxed shoulders. Brilliant, okay, we're going to initiate a little bounce into our knees, okay? So you're just going to bounce up and down, all right? And let your hands, let your arms just be really relaxed and let them swing, okay? So I'm going to show you a few of the warm-up moves, all right? And then we'll do it all together with the music, okay? So we'll bounce for a bit, good. And then we're going to take our bounce into a rise, okay? So we're going to rise up into our feet, so onto our tippy toes, nice and strong, good. And then we bounce out of it, so we go bounce. And then we bounce back up into it, good, and bounce out of it, okay? We're going to do 4 of those in our warm-up, all right? And then as we come down on the 4th, we're going to go into a pedal, okay? So you want to lift your feet onto your tippy toes and swap, but you want to come up and down out of them, okay? So not like this, okay? We're going to go up and down, okay? So we're really pushing into our feet and getting them really energized and warm, okay? So we push into the feet, good. We're going to start off slowly and then we'll really test our balance going a bit faster. Good, excellent, okay? With our newfound energy in our feet, we're going to flick it away, okay? So we're going to flick, okay? So you want to point your toe, keep it nice and pointed, and you go from the knee, flick to the foot, yes? It's like a flick, flick, flick. Good, lovely. Okay, from there we're going to ground ourselves again, back into parallel, okay, and we're going to take it into the shoulders. So we're going to go back, then into the elbow, then all the way into the arm, and then into the other arm. So we go shoulder, elbow, big reach with the arm, good, and then we come up and out into a rise, okay, so we hold it, relax the shoulders, and as we come down with our feet, you want to maintain your height. So we come up, really nice and high, and then stay as tall as you can as you come down. Good, keep your hands here. Now with this hand, we're going to swing it down. So we're going to go bounce and swing, and up. And it's like a pendulum, it makes this one go, and up. Now this one goes, and up. Good, we do 4 of these, and up. Good, and then we bring our arms either side of us, and I want you to imagine that you're being pulled for attention, okay? So someone wants you to go this way, someone else wants you to go that way, okay? Try and keep your hips facing this way and your feet nice and strong, okay? So it's just your upper body that's going side to side. Good. And then we reach up and we're going to dive into a spinal roll, okay? So we reach up and we dive down. Now our head needs to be really heavy, okay? So it's the first thing that goes and it's going to lead us all the way down, okay? So we go up, and we're going to go down, okay? Try not to squash the head, but try and let it drop. As soon as your fingers go past your knees, bend them, okay? All the way down. And then here, if you just have a bit of a swing or a bounce, okay? Let the head be really heavy. And then we're going to pull up so that your head is the last thing to come up. You rise your arms up, good. And we go down again, all right? And if you've got a ponytail like me, we'll just go everywhere, all right? Okay, so we do 2 of those, okay, all the way up, okay? Once we've done our spinal rolls, we're going to do 3 last sort of moves, okay? So we're going to take it into wraps. So we step and wrap around our body. So step and wrap, step and wrap, step and wrap. We're going to do 4 of them. We go step and swing. Okay, so we're bending through the legs. Good, from side to side. And then we're going to do 4. We do a little side skip. So we go side skip and we go behind with our foot. So we go that way and then behind with our foot. That way, behind with the foot. That way, behind with the foot. And then we come back to the centre, check our feet, and we do it one more time. Shall we do it with the music? Remember, rewind it and watch it back if I went too fast. Okay, so ready? Initiate a little bounce. Good. Let the arms just be relaxed. Let them swing. Good. Okay, ready? We're going to rise and bounce. Hold it there. 2, 3, 4, and bounce. Good. 2 more. Rise and bounce. And rise. Good. And bounce. Okay, ready? We're going to pedal. So pedal, pedal. Good. You can go as fast or as slow as you like for this one. So you could be going faster if you want to, like this. That really tests your core and your balance. Woo! Okay, and that new energy, we're going to flick it away. So we're going to go flick, flick, from the knee, hit. Okay, and then we're going to come back to centre, check your parallel. Okay, ready with the shoulder? Here we go. 1, 2, elbow, arm, and down on the side, shoulder, elbow, arm, and down. Both, shoulder, elbow, round, and down, and rise. Keep that height, and down. Ready, swing, and swing, and swing, and swing. Okay, arms to your sides, and pull. Imagine your wing pull. Good. Okay, reaching up into that spinal roll, and down. Let the heavy really heavy. Head down, and back up. Head is still heavy, and up with the arms, and ready to go back down. And bounce, have a bit of a sway, swing, heavy, heavy. Here we go, come back up. Right, and down. Okay, get ready to wrap. So we're going to go step, step, wrap those arms, and swing. Good, side skip. 1 and 2 behind, 1 and 2 behind. Excellent, come back to centre. Now I think I added in a double one of these and didn't tell you. Surprise! Okay, we're going to do it again. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to initiate that little bounce in our knees. Okay, ready? 5, 6, here we go. Little bounce. Good. Let your arms do their thing as long as they're nice and relaxed. Okay, we're going to rise. So we go rise, 2, 3, 4, bounce. Catch it, rise, 2, 3, 4, and bounce. And catch it. Good. Last one. Rise. Test your balance if you want to close them. Okay, and pedal. Good. Push through those feet. Good. If you want to go a bit faster. Good. Or a bit slower. And really push. Good. Okay, that energy, let's flick it away. Lovely. Okay, back to centre. Let's ground ourselves. Good. Ooh, ready? So we're going to go with the shoulder. So we're going to go 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. to learn this routine. Okay, and then there'll be a chance for you to add on your own moves, okay? So, we are going to start bent leg, okay, a bit lower than normal, okay, with a bit of a slouch, okay? Now, you're going to start with your right leg and it's going to go out to the side, okay? So it's like a little point or a little tap, okay? So it goes out and then it comes in and the left leg goes out. So it goes out, in, out, and then your right leg goes tap, tap, okay? So watch, it goes one and swap, in, out, yeah? So we go one, swap, in, out, yeah? Okay, so it goes 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3, in, out, okay? This right leg is going to kick forward, so keep this knee nice and bent, okay? So we're going to do 2 kicks, it's going to go 1, 2, okay? So from here, you're going 1, 2. So it's almost like you're smashing the glass of the camera, okay? So 1 and 2 and 3, in, out, 1, 2. We bring our feet together, we go down, out, okay? So you've gone 1, 2, in, so in and down, out. Yeah? So we've got out, swap, in, out, kick, down, out, okay? As soon as you've jumped your feet out, they're going to jump back in, right leg goes over left leg, yeah? So we go, hop, and then you're going to spin round, okay? So you go, okay, so get that head round, okay? Okay, so your feet are together, you've just gone kick, in, out, cross, round, step, okay? So let that left leg, sorry, just sort of step and ground you, okay? All right, so that's the first few steps. So ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3, in, out, kick, down, out, cross, turn, facing the front, and then to finish off that last little phrase, okay, with your arms, you're going to do butterfly arms, okay, because the lyric is all about butterflies sort of flying and being beautiful and wonderful, okay? So you're going to lift your arms up and down, okay? And with your feet, you're going to do a little sort of step. So you're going like this. They're little steps. So it doesn't matter what leg you pick. But one leg stays sort of relatively straighter than the other one, okay? The other one is slightly bent, and you're doing like a little pulse, like a little bounce, okay? It's almost like a ball change, but not quite, okay? So you're going 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, okay? And as you do this little 1 and 2 move, your arms come up and down, okay? So it's for 4 beats. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah? So it finishes off that last little bit. So you've got 1 and 2 and 3, in, out, kick, down, out, cross, turn, sort of centre yourself to the front, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? Okay, so we're going to get our arms involved now, okay? So they're sort of same level as your shoulders, okay? And they're going side to side, but nice and sharp. So nice, sharp, strong fingers. So you're going side, 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 up, down, yeah? But your beats are slightly different. So let's just do the sides first. It goes 1, 2, 3, yeah? So it's 1, 2, 3, and then this last bit goes and 4. So we add in an offbeat. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. So boom, 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 and boom. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah? Boo, 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 ba. Okay, so you've just gone 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. doom, 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 ah, boom. You've probably heard me do that enough now, okay? So from here, you just come down, okay? You're gonna go out to the right, okay? And it's like with your hand, you're painting a circle, and then you bring it all back in again. So you're going out and in. So watch, go with the leg too. So you go all the way out and in, okay? So, boom. I like to think of it either as painting, or you've seen something on the shelf at the supermarket that you want, and you're grabbing it in your bag, yeah? Grab in your bag, okay? So you've just gone 1, 2, 3, and 4, wah, boom, okay? Let's work out our beats. So from the beginning, we've got 1 and 2 and 3, in, out, kick, kick, down, out, cross, around, face the front, 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Okay, after we've gone out and in, okay, you're gonna go back on yourself. So again, it doesn't matter what leg, okay, but pick a leg and you're gonna lean back onto it, okay? So the foot that stays where it is, you just have to reveal your foot, yeah? So you're going back and in, okay? So it goes back and in, yeah? And with our arms, we're just kind of bringing them in and out, okay? So it's like 1 and 2, 1 and 2, yeah? Okay, we're right at the end, so I might as well show you the last bit, okay? Wah, wah, boo, boo. Okay, and then we go right arm, left arm, really sharp, and we do one last butterfly, okay? So we go up, down. But that one is more controlled, it's less floaty, okay? And it's more 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so really give it some angles in your hands, okay? So it's really strong. I think that's it, all right? So slowly we go 1 and 2 and 3, in, out, kick, kick, down, out, cross, turn, face the front, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 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 up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back and in, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we try some music? Right. Don't mean a thing. Ready? So, right leg, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3, in, out, kick, kick, down, right, cross, turn, up, and down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, up, down, round, and in, and back, and forwards, sharp, sharp, up, down. Rewind it and go through it again if there's still bits that you're confused on, okay? Get it down. I know you can, and I know you'll be amazing at it, okay? Okay, so I've got a little creative task for you now, okay? So, we are going to add in 2 moves that you're going to come up with. You have 8 beats for each move, all right? So, we're going to start off, we just finished, we've just gone 1, 2, up, down, right? And you've got 4 beats to get yourself ready, okay? Your first move, I want you to think about being a butterfly, okay? And I want your first move for 8 beats, I want you to move like a butterfly. So it could be you do a nice big leap like a butterfly, you could do a sort of a spin like a butterfly, it could be that you want to do sharp arms and maybe do them on different sides. You might want to be a butterfly that slowly opens, or you want to be like fast, you want to turn. Anything you like that comes to mind when you think of a butterfly, okay? So you've got 8 beats to do it. Okay, then in this song they mention that no one is going to bring you down, okay, so we're feeling that today, okay, we're happy, really positive, okay, so we want you to come up with a cool move on the floor, okay, so we are going to go down, okay, so it can be anything. You can jump to the floor, okay, and do something down there. You can do something like a roll. You can do something with your arms down low. You can do some kind of reach or flick, like a boom, yeah, something on the floor, okay? So we've got 8 beats, butterfly move, 8 beats, floor move, and then you've got 4 beats left over to come up with your own finishing position, okay? Anything you like, something that best represents you, okay? Okay, so we've got the music on faintly in the background while we come up with our 8 beats, okay? I'm gonna have a go too, you have a go, see what we come up with, okay? 2-3 minutes. Have you got it? I think I've got mine. So pause it if you need more time. But if not, should we add it in? Okay, ready? We'll do mine into yours. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We're going to have a quick cool down, a quick stretch, okay, to make sure that our bodies are ready to relax. Or maybe you're doing another video, there's loads to choose from. Okay, so we're going to sit up nice and straight. Good, hands on our knees, and we're going to look over our shoulder. Good, the way. Good, we're going to look up, but just gently, don't go too far back. And try not to crush the chin on the chest like this. Try and look over and down. Lovely. Give your shoulders a bit of a roll, almost like you're having a massage. Nice. Okay, slide one hand down, turn the palm of the other, and a big reach over, okay? So try not to collapse, try and reach, keep a gap, and keep your butt on the floor, don't lift it off, okay? Good, and over to the other side. Lovely. And back to centre, and imagine, like in our warm-up, you're being pulled. Excellent, give your hands a shake, really scrunch them in tight, stretch them wide. Good. Lovely. Okay, good. We're going to stretch with our legs. So going into the corners and trying to sit up nicely. Good. We're going to tag those toes. So slowly. Good. And then we're going to cross over. So we're going to go cross, cross. Good. I want you to imagine someone is pulling you forwards, and we're just going to bounce there. Good. And go and grab those toes. Good. Bring the legs together and just point the toes. Flex, point, flex, alternate. Good. And then we go out, around, and up. Out, around, up. Good. Give yourself a big hug. Good. And balance on that bottom. Lovely. Excellent, good. And feet together, pulse up and down. Any amount, just come over. So use the elbows to just stretch a bit further. Let the head be heavy. Good. Give it a bit of a shake out. Okay, take one arm across the front. Try not to hunch the shoulder, try and relax it. Good, and the other arm. Good, we'll take it over and just apply a little bit of pressure on that shoulder. Good, and the other side. And big reach for those toes. Good, you can pulse here if you want, or hold it. And go again. Deep breath in and out. Good, we stretch forwards, forwards, and good work.